A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for king, L for lion, M for mango, N for net, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to channel. Thank you.